In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Tesla horn not working. So let's get started. So first of all, I need you to guide yourselves onto this website, tesla.com/owner's manual, and then proceed to select the car that you own. And then click on the language you're most compatible with, and then you'll be redirected to a page with a bunch of options to the left. Here, I want you to click on the driving drop-down button and then click on steering wheel. Here, I want you to have a good read through this and, well, get any knowledge you can get or any fixes you can get regarding how to fix your horn. And after reading it, if that has been fixed, then great. If it hasn't, I do have a couple more fixes to share with you. Okay, so let's get started. So first, check the basics. Make sure you're pressing the center of the steering wheel firmly, okay? Unlike traditional cars, Tesla's horn activation area can be a bit more sensitive. So try pressing slightly different spots to see if that makes a difference. Next, reboot the system. Sometimes a quick software reset can resolve minor glitches affecting the horn. Press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the touchscreen goes back. After a few seconds, the Tesla logo will appear and the system will restart. Once it's back on, the Tesla horn, test the Tesla horn again. If that doesn't work, check for software updates. Tesla frequently releases updates that fix bugs and improve system functionality. Go to Controls, then Software, and see if there's an update available. If so, install it and test the horn after the update is complete. Another thing to consider is the external speaker. In some Tesla models, the horn sound is played throughout the pedestrian warning speaker. If this speaker is damaged or malfunctioning, it could affect the horn. Try switching to a different sound like a custom horn sound from Toybox in the entertainment menu to see if any sound plays. If the horn is still unresponsive, check the fuse. Although Tesla doesn't have traditional fuses like the older cars, some models use electronic fuses that can occasionally need resetting. Unfortunately, this requires Tesla service. So if you suspect a fuse issue, it's best to contact Tesla support. For physical damage or connection issues, if your horn sounds weak or distorted, it could be a loose or faulty horn assembly. In this case, you might need a service visit to inspect and replace the horn if necessary. Lastly, if nothing else works, reach out to Tesla support throughout the mobile app. They can run a remote diagnostic and determine if a repair or service appointment is needed. So that'll be it for this video. I hope it helped you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.